Okay, here we go. Welcome back, everyone, to another Mesh Weekly Technicals, the show where we draw pretty lines and evaluate all them dildos. And here we go. I'm looking at BTC today, and on the monthly chart, I would say we're looking a little bit bearish. We failed to make the highs 2 months ago. We had the double top appear, and we've slowly been descending, but bearish from the aspect that it's short term. I do still think that we're in this organic trend. And if you can see this trend line, it's been a while since we've touched this trend line. And as we go into the other time frames on the lower side, you'll see what I mean. There's probably a lot of speculation in media right now about the 29K, 30K level, make it or break it. I would agree, but I think a break of 29K is actually supports our narrative that we see another low in terms of price confirmation. If I just drop down here now onto the weekly chart, and you'll see what I mean. As we've had this breakout, and this breakout was on the 19th of June earlier in the year, and we haven't actually had a confirmation. So we've been confirming at various levels along the way down. And the key one that we haven't yet broken is this 27.8K level. And I did mention this on last week's call as well. So I'm expecting that we will break below the 29K level today on weekly close, and we should see us pull out. You can see that on the daily chart that we do have some short-term bearish scenario on the cards. Let me just reset that price scale. So we had this range, and we finally broke out that range and decided to sit in another range between the 29.5K level and the 29K level. Really little volume all of last week. We had the sort of short-term pump and break as we retested that new low at the 28.5K level. And this is the short call that I made last week's call. So that's played out. That's, I don't know, some people say they're a gazillion weeks straight in the green. So I'm a trillion weeks straight in the green right now. Nice and up. But yeah, as I said, look, there's no volume here. I am expecting us to break below this level. This will see us almost perfectly retest the levels that we need to. Just dial back to that weekly. And yeah, I'm expecting us to hit around here. And that would give us the confirmation we need to maintain this structure. That's not to say that we can retest low. We may consolidate in a range for a while before breaking upwards. But for now, look, my scenario is still on the cards in terms of us having this final retest of this low, which will confirm this breakout from the 19th of June. And on this, I think you'll see it on the daily more than anything. No, 4 hour. And let me draw a pretty line. Okay, so you can see that it's a perfect descending triangle with a support at the 29K level. So 4 hour chart does support the bearish scenario and almost perfectly in this kind of squeeze moment. So this is once again proving what I've been saying in terms of these breakdowns where we have trend lines and horizontal squeeze into each other or converge. So this is the level that we're looking to retest here at the 28.5K level. Once again, we did have the retest here, but I'd like to see this breakdown for us to make the confirmation on the previous time frame. So for BTC, just to summarize, I'm going short again from 29K based on the break of this descending triangle. Those that want to be a bit risque, you could probably enter at the 29K level itself before the retest based on the volume that exists, or you can wait for a confirmation, which will probably occur Monday. So I'm expecting us to have a downward movement today and then a little short-term pump on Monday to confirm that breakdown. So that's BTC. If you have any questions, don't forget to join the Telegram group in the description below. If you want to leave a comment below, if there's any pairs you want us to take a look at, more than happy to take a dig. And if you just want to be an asshole and critique my charts, feel free to leave a comment. I will accept it.